And right off the bat, you can actually see if I like give it a bit of a wobble, a wiggle. Can I start again? I hate that. I feel like I'm on Blue Peter. Wobbly jelly. I have managed to get my hands on the new and exciting ShiftCam ProGrip. Okay, so I'm going to unzip this pouch. Ladies of the world, we love a pouch. Oh, okay, right, so I get it. This is going to transform any smartphone into a professional camera. So I'm just going to start off by putting my own phone in here just to show you how simple this really is to assemble. So it literally slides in like that. If I give it a bit of a shake, you can see right off the bat how secure this is. And then my favorite feature, budding Instagrammers will understand. I'm going to start taking some, I mean, to me, gorgeous selfie videos. So yeah, it's all connected via Bluetooth and it literally works just by clicking this button. Even just messing around with this, like I honestly do feel like I'm holding a DSLR. That is satisfying as well, that click, click, click. Now I know what you're thinking. Smartphones, videos, proper camera all sound like battery drainers. And they are normally, but not with this. So this actually charges your phone while you use it, which I think is amazing. It's effectively like a wireless power bank and a professional camera. Let's get candid about these cameras. Here we've got a standard DSLR. This is pretty heavy. It's gonna set you back about £1,200, which is great if it is your absolute full-time thing, but if, like I said before, you were just a camera enthusiast, this is new for you, you just want to get to grips with things, the ShiftCam is definitely a better option financially and weight-wise. So there you have it. That is the ShiftCam ProGrip, a great gift and a great product. Available now on the OOOOO app.